Hello. It's Kathleen, and it is just a rainy, beautiful day here. And what is better to do on a rainy day than go thrifting, specifically for vintage dresses? Oh, you want to come too? I mean, that's great to hear because we're already in the parking lot. But bestie, before we go in, or should I say besties, there are 500 of you now. That is wild. Thanks so much for being on this little thrifting journey with me. If you want to subscribe and you haven't yet, you might want to go smash that subscribe button. I don't know. Please? If you don't want to, it's okay. Either way, I'm just happy that you're here with me. So let's go look for some vintage frocks and see if we can find some treasure. Okay, let's do it. Wow. This has a lot going on. I'm not sure how I feel about this, but you know what? Good for you for being yourself. Okay, you know we gotta just take a quick little peruse through the shoes. Check these out. I haven't had black Converse since like 5th grade. These are in pretty good shape. What size? Let's try them.
University offers a range of innovative programs as evening formats available. Pursuing your degree.
Before we go to the dresses, time to get distracted by home goods. And distracted I am. I think I need this. This is pretty. Oh my gosh. Okay, I've been distracted by shoes and home goods, but we came here for dresses, people. So let's get focused, take a look through and see what vintage goodness we can find. All right, first thing I found, it's more of like an early 2000s print, but little cherry dress. And I kept going down the rack and I also found, oh, sorry, almost poked your eye out. Also found this, which has the same print in it. I think this goes over top. I don't know, we'll try it. I don't think I would get this, but it has really interesting little front. I think it's like a little mini dress, but look at this label. Tomats. I don't think these earrings are working for my whole situation right now. It's a fun little mask accessory though. Ooh, vintage buttons. Let's try this. Another bluey. This is almost purple though. Nice long length, comes with a belt, buttons all the way back up. You know I'm too lazy for that. Ooh, this is fun. Pretty color. I don't know why, but I'm just not really into wearing emerald green. Maybe I need to give it a try, but not with this dress. This has big vintage vibes. This pattern, this collar, it looks like a napkin. Okay, I can get down for a tablecloth vibe. Shall we? Yes, we shall. This is surprisingly vintage. Got a fun little tag. I like this. Let's try it. I'm gonna be honest with y'all and say that nothing like super duper excited me out of all of the dresses. I mean, I haven't tried them on yet, so they could be exciting. So let's take a look through the pajamas really quick. Sometimes you can find some cute like night dresses or muumuus like this, and you can wear them as dresses. That does look like a pee stain though. Put you away. Ooh, here's a little set. Comes with pants. That could be slinky. I can't tell if this is ironic or cool or horrible. You know, when you have these confused feelings, you know you have something really interesting. We meet again, dressing room. I've got a lot of pants, a lot of dresses, and as usual, I'll show you the highlights and then show you what I actually get when I get home. Okay, let's go. These are kind of short, but I do love the kind of like conductor pant print on it. Questionable. Also, very short. I guess I'm feeling extra string beanie today. Are these not so cool? Also, short. Do I even need to say it again? This dress is a lot. In a very good way. This is something. I really like the print and the colors of this, but the fit's just not really doing much for me. I think it's a no. Okay, this is objectively cute. Maybe it feels a little bit like hospital gown pattern. I don't know, you guys. Not me being indecisive, as always. Also, I cut my thumb open on something in here, so. I think the biggest question of the day is, should I get this? I also found this, which I think is an obvious yes. I'm back, and I have a smoothie and a polar bear fleece. It's a good day. So I ended up getting a couple vintage dresses that I want to show you, and spoiler alert, right off the bat, I did end up getting, actually hold on. I did end up getting the cherry dress that I said I wasn't going to get in the dressing room because I didn't like how the top fit me. But then I thought, wait, I have a sewing machine. Let's do a little thrift flip. So we're going to give this little dress a little zhuzh so that it fits into my style a little bit better. It's pretty simple. I'm just going to cut off the top and add ribbons for the straps. And after we're done with that, I'll show you the rest of the stuff I got. So for now, to the sewing machine. It's just right over here. We could try and use the fabric that I cut off the top as the ribbons and keep things really cohesive. Or we could, and we will, use this super fun bed sheet that I bought in Florida this summer for $3.50. Okay, before we get to making ribbons, is this anything? It's kind of ridiculous in like a cool way. Is that my brand? Ridiculous in a cool way. Okay, let's cut up some bed sheets. Ow. Worms. I scream, you scream, let's all scream for this cherry dress. Is it obvious that I'm obsessed? So we added the vintage striped ribbons made of bed sheets, and I think it just really takes it to the next level. The patterns are super different, but they feel cohesive because of those warm tones in both the dress and the ribbons. I cannot wait to wear this all spring long. Enter the chartreuse jacket. This wool overcoat is perfect for this dress, no? I do admit these bodacious ribbons are a little bit hard to wrangle underneath, but we can figure that out. I'm gonna need to wear this outfit to a flower shop ASAP. Who's with me? Hello? This dress, it just makes me feel some type of way. Besides the fact that I'm super comfy and confident in it, the actual dress is really cool. The white and the sage colors are a really great combo, and there's even a little contrast stitching that goes along the outside of the bodice, and that gives it a more casual feel. Paired it with some black platforms for some edge, and yeah, I'm sold. And our last vintage number. Such a cute take on the little black dress. The pink cherry blossom motif was the first thing that caught my eye, but I'm also loving the square neckline. And lucky for us, the styling options are virtually limitless with this little guy. Even the green jacket looks awesome. I feel like this is what Xenon girl of the 21st century would have worn if she grew up planet side instead of, you know, in space. And really quick, just some extra love for this fleece. It has not only one polar bear, but 3 polar bears. Lucky me. Oh, this dress! Have I ever been more me? Nah. As I was making this dress, I kind of realized that it would have been the perfect Valentine's Day gown. Oops. Anyways, I clearly love it. Hope you enjoyed it too. And that's gonna do it for me this week. So until next week, I just want to say again, thank you so much for subscribing. I cannot believe that there are 500 of you that care about me and when I go thrifting. That is wild, and I'm so thankful. Let's keep this train rolling. So if you want to subscribe and you haven't yet, feel free to do so if you want to. I try to post videos every single week, usually on Sunday or Monday. And usually it's just me going thrifting, but sometimes there's artsy stuff in there too. If you want to keep up with me during the week between uploads, you can follow me on Instagram and TiqueToque. I actually made a TikTok/reels about making this dress. So if you want to go check that out, comment a cherry. And that's how I'll know you're from the YouTube gang. Okay, I'm gonna go frolic, even though it's like 20 degrees outside. And I hope you just have a lovely week. So until next time, I love you. Goodbye.